You'll never take us alive.
Wasn't planning on it, prune face. It's final cut for you, flat top. You, Mumbles.
Wow, Dick, you really showed them.
Ha! I sure did, horse mouth.
Do you need a ride back to the station?
No thanks, big ears. I think I'll walk.
You've got to take it easy with the nicknames, Tracy. Criminals are fine, but guys in the precinct are taking it personal.
You do things your way, man boobs. I'll do 'em mine. Hey, how's it going, deep throat?
How does he know?
I was talking to you, buddy.